So I'm in the industrial unit. I'm about to head inside and sign a tenancy agreement and take control of the keys for my new working space. Hey, it's emmalouisehamilton here from the Amazon Dream. It's Friday the 15th of November and I've got quite a busy day today. So I'm going to be doing quite a lot of things throughout my entire businesses. So I'm going to be bringing you along and showing you some of the things that I get up to on a day-to-day basis. I finished my business meeting in Costa. It was really beneficial meeting up with my business mentor. It's just gone 11. It's actually been a really efficient meeting. We've identified some areas where I can actually save time and also some areas where I should be concentrating more and where I can use my time more wisely, because at the moment I am doing quite a lot of things. I'm actually like buying and selling on Amazon, I'm doing the YouTube videos, I'm doing one-on-one coaching and mentoring, and also looking into opening my own prep centre. So there's quite a lot going on, and it's been identified that I definitely need to get some more hands on board to actually make everything work efficiently. So it's 11 o'clock now. The plans for the rest of the day are to collect the keys for my new working space. Also need to collect some stock from a few stores. Also need to go and get my nails done. As you can see, they're growing out, so that definitely needs doing. I'm going to go to the nail salon today. I scheduled in 1 hour for that because basically if I go on the weekends on a Saturday, it tends to take like 2 hours or more because of the queues, the people who are working 9 to 5 then go and get their nails done. So I take advantage by going to get it done at quite a time. Additionally, I also have a client call booked in this evening, so it's all systems go. So let's carry on with the day. I've just popped into a shop to do a spot of retail arbitrage before my next meeting. I actually just can't help myself. Smash the thumbs up button if you too are addicted to sourcing. I've done a quick check on Buybot Pro and the items I'm going to restock are still profitable. I advise doing a quick check prior to replenishing to ensure the profitability is still the same or similar. It's 12:20 and I've got all the important things out of the way, like my nails. Now it's time to head on and get on to business. I'm about to meet the lettings agent at 1 PM, so I'm going to go and get a quick bite to eat and then head on over to the industrial unit where my new space is. So I'm in the industrial unit. I'm about to head inside and sign a tenancy agreement and take control of the keys for my new working space.
Okay.
So I've got the keys and I'm going into the office for the first time as the tenant. So I'm in the new office space. It's just been painted. It's nice and toasty because it's got the heater. The security here is tip top. There's actually CCTV in the corridors, and to get into the corridors you actually need to put in a PIN number to get through. Additionally, the actual industrial unit that I'm on is actually monitored by a human being twice per night. In addition to that, it's got 24-hour CCTV that is manned all day, every day. To access the industrial unit, you also need a fob to get in through the gates, which are secured. So all in all, the main reason I chose this space is down to the actual security, as if my stock's going to be stored here, and I will also be storing other people's stock because my plan is to take on a handful of prep clients. And if you are interested in some prep services, I'll put a link down below where you can actually register your interest. I've also got a meeting room where I can hold meetings, one-on-one sessions and group events. I've actually found there's a few reasons why people choose the working spaces or units that they want to do. This can come down to size, price, security, location, and additionally the location for me at this office is pretty near to my house. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the space that I've chosen. Also, another big factor of me choosing this space is that warehouses and units actually go really quickly. I might do a journey into how I actually got into this space and the warehouses that I bid on, and also the ones that I just missed out on. So basically they have said that if any units come available, they will let me know before they go on market. So I have the first opportunity to access those and secure those before they're available to the wider public. And that is the benefit of being with the actual lettings agent that I have chose. They've got offices and units and warehouses across the UK. And there's even another site that is about 5 minutes from my house, so it's a bit closer than this one. So if any spaces do become available there, they will let me know, and that could be potentially another avenue that I look at in the future. this is the office. As you can see, it's unfurnished, so now it's time for me to get some basic furniture just so I have a table to work from. And in the meantime, I'm also going to be ordering some shelving from Big Doug's. So I'm just in IKEA, actually came to find a table and some chairs for the office. Literally about 40 to 50 chairs in IKEA, and we tested each one of those, and at the last minute it was losing hope, thinking oh no. Then my mum actually found this one hidden away in the corner. We tested it and it is the most comfortable chair ever. It's lovely and soft. We love how it's wide, so it's going to fit in with the aesthetic of the room and the table. So I think this is the chair for the office, and the extra benefit is it goes up and down. So time is getting on now. It's actually 6:27 and I'm in IKEA just getting a few bits for the new office. Once you're in IKEA, you might plan to spend 10 minutes in here, but it's always like a 2-3 hour session. So I think I've got a really beautiful setup. I've got a nice desk, table, chairs and some storage unit. Everything needed for the initial office setup.